Good morning. I'm Livinia Tyagarasan. I'm work as the senior officer for AZ company in Kelantan.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Nishifa and I'm from same department of our company.
Hello, my name is Nisha. I think you both know me very well because I'm the one who arranged the second program of annual party. I'm delighted to meet you both.
Oh hi, nice to meet you too.
I heard that Shifa went for holidays. How was your journey, Shifa?
It was fine thanks, but it's quite traffic jam.
The reason why I and Nisha want to meet you is currently AZ company has launched a new e-learning for employee training. I and Nisha think the e-learning system is a good idea. What's your opinion, Shifa? Is that same like us?
Mm, Sorry guys, my answer for this is no because this is e-learning system that launched by our company for employee training will have distraction at home. Even though this is a technological word, but some of the employees still doesn't have internet in the house. Maybe they have internet or data in their mobile, but the line was slow. This make them disconnect with the company at the right time.
Shifa, I think it's not a big problem. If like that, the company will take some actions to solve these kind of problems for the employee who work from home by using e-learning system. But if we choose the e-learning system, there are a lot of benefits to the employee. For example, improve visual communication and collaboration.
Yeah, you're right, Nisha. I agree with your point. Flexible learning provides employee with full control and accountability for their learning. They are able to decide and allocate time for their learning. This control not only allows them to coordinate their education around their commitments on work but ensure that they are learning at the best time. On the other hand, Shifa, the e-learning system can make better time management to the employees. Possibly the best known personal time management referring to the set of habits, rules, recommendation for the employee on how to manage one's personal time effectively and do as much work as possible within the particular time.
Absolutely right. I agree with you. Some more e-learning for employee also have a broader global perspective. It's shape how you perceive and understand your own identity and the identity of people you interact with as you begin to understand what goes into shaping culture.
I think, Nisha, it's a basic knowledge that we all have to learn. It's not necessary that learning from e-learning. E-learning causes isolation for the employee. The lack of social interaction in online learning leads to feelings of loneliness, lack of motivation, and isolation. Without the guidance of the other employee, they cannot finish their work properly.
But Shifa, this e-learning have lots of benefit more than negative. It's refined critical thinking skills for the employee. For example, the worker pinpoint the issue and can collect information. Therefore, e-learning can make the employee learn new technical skills. It's help them when they working.
Yeah, that's a huge benefit, Nisha. E-learning can demonstrate that individuals want to be the best they can be regardless of where they work and will often take responsibility for the project.
But I still stand in my point. E-learning will happen. Poor work-life balance. Poor work-life balance can cause stress, which is job stress, isolating working conditions, few rewards for effort, job insecurity, and a lack of control in the job can increase the risk of mental health challenge. Moreover, increased need for meetings to discuss everything in starting position, and this called double work. It will stress the employee.
But Shifa, 65% our employees support the system. The benefits of the e-learning for the employee can make the company run smoothly. We still support the e-learning system for the employee.
Okay, never mind. I also agree with the e-learning system, even though there are negative sides of e-learning, but have a lot of benefit too. So, I support this system.
Okay, Shifa, that's a good decision. Bye.